Proxmox. Proxmox scripts. Network and firewall. In this video, I install Omada Controller on Proxmox to manage and monitor TP-Link access points. How to install? Copy this command. Proxmox. Shell. Paste. Default install. Just wait until it's complete. And here is the Omada Controller access address. Copy the address. Open a new tab in your browser. Paste. Advanced. Continue. Let's get started. You will be asked to set up an administrator account. Password. Confirm password. Email. Cloud access. Remote access via the internet. Next. Config new setup. Set the time zone. Setting the time zone is very important when you want to monitor the system. Controller time zone. Skip. I choose to set up manually. Finish. Omada Controller login. Use the administrator account you just set up in the previous step to log into the system. Add new site. Complete Omada Controller setup on Proxmox. Next, I manage access points and create a wireless network. Application scenario. Password. Password must be at least 10 characters. Apply. This is the site I just created. Next, I add access points to the site I just created. Add devices. Add to site. Select the site I just created from the drop-down list. This is the access point I will add to the site named Home. Adopting. Connected. The access point has been added to the site named Home. You can access Omada Controller not only on your local network but also remotely. Enter your TP-Link account. Password. Login and bind. Connected. You can access the system from the app on your smartphone or via a web browser. Omada TP-Link Cloud. TP-Link ID. Login. On-premises systems. This is the TP-Link wireless access point management and monitoring system I just installed on Proxmox. Connect to it remotely. And this is the site I created in the previous step. Next, I will create a new wireless network on that site. Network name. Password. This way you can manage and monitor TP-Link network devices from anywhere using a browser or mobile application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Wireless LAN. Edit. Security key.